Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken dish easily. First, select your preferred chicken cuts, such as boneless, skinless breasts or juicy thighs. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy skin. Then, season generously on all sides with salt, pepper, and any herbs you love, like paprika or garlic powder. This simple preparation sets the stage for a flavorful meal. Now let's cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place your seasoned chicken in the pan. Sear for about 5 to 7 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. If you prefer, you can also bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Want to elevate your chicken's flavor? During the last few minutes of cooking, add aromatics like minced garlic, sliced onions, or fresh rosemary to the pan. After removing the chicken, you can deglaze the pan with a splash of chicken broth or white wine, scraping up any brown bits to create a quick, flavorful sauce. A final squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the cooked chicken adds a wonderful brightness that truly makes it shine. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked chicken. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides. Consider serving it alongside roasted vegetables, a crisp green salad, or creamy mashed potatoes for a comforting meal. For a complete and satisfying plate, you can also pair it with rice or pasta. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or cilantro as a garnish adds a lovely touch of color and freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.